Compression packing cubes versus non-compression packing cubes. Gonex recently reached out to me to see if I'd like to try some of their compression packing cubes, so I did. So I've got my old one, which is the blue one. That's the one I usually use. So this is exactly what I took to Romania for a weekend. So I've got the same type of clothes, and I'm first going to put some into the packing cube that I actually took in my Ryanair bags. I've got shorts, a vest top, some pajamas, and a bikini. So this is zipped up, and this is about the thickness of it in its normal cube. And now let's do the same again, but with the Gonex compression packing cube. I always fold it so it's like the same size as the packing cubes. Personally, I find that folding does work better than rolling, and it kind of keeps things a bit more crease free as well. So again, just putting everything in as I would. I do think this packing cube is a little bit smaller than what the other one is, but we'll zip it up. Let's compare the two side by side to see roughly what they are. So you can see they're about the same. One might be a little bit thicker than the other one, but the difference between compression and non-compression is that there's another zip around the middle. So then you just zip it up and it squeezes all the extra air out. If you do overfill it though, it is really hard to do up that central zip, but then in a way it's like you could just use it like a normal packing cube. So if you are looking for some new packing cubes and you don't already have any, compression packing cubes are probably the best because then you can use them both ways.